Got Dodge loaded down with scrap. I always use as many straps as I can, just in case. This is a hood off of a Cutlass Supreme. A friend of mine who's in his, I guess, 50s or 40s, his son, who's like 19, wrecked it in an abandoned subdivision, hit a brick mailbox. You can actually see the corner of the brick mailbox right there. Boom. And so it totally left the car basically, which is his car since he was 19, so he's pretty pissed. But anyway, I got that. I got its bumper. I got silk fencing posts that are twisted. I saved the good ones. I got a silk fencing wire. I got a washing machine strapped down, of course. Just random stuff. These are shelves out of, well, dividers for metal shelves. I got those. I'm not going to say it weighs too much because that wire takes up a lot of room, you see. So I'm going to say it probably weighs, I don't know. I'd be happy if it was 500. If it was 560, 500 pounds, I think I'd be pretty happy. So that's how much I think it probably is. But anyway, I'll take this to scrapyard and see how much it's worth. But you can listen to this. That's how tight my strap is. They got a flag man, they're doing highway work.
Don't break it, just snag it. I want my scrap delivered. It'll be one of them days. How much is it? 5,680. How much is it? It's 5,680. Yeah, how much are we? 600 pounds.
That's a Bobcat. I don't think I got it unloading, sadly.
That's alright. We know what happened.
Film. Up on the scales.
But get all the way up. Yep.
Alright.
What's it say? 4,880.
About 800 pounds.
This poor guy.
I'll let you out right here.
Alright, dude.
Got a check for $88. Cash it. I wish that we had cash though, but anyway. I gotta get out here before I start overheating. It's a hot day. It's 91, 2, 3?
Something like that. It's gotten hotter. Days worn on.
I got a flat doing. Watch this.